Hey folks, Jimmy Schwinn here from the 𝗙𝗡𝗏𝗡𝗏𝗏.com. I wanted to do this real quick video. I had done a video prior on my blog, on the 𝗙𝗡𝗏𝗏𝗏.com blog, and I showed, and also on the YouTube channel, Facebook, Twitter, and I showed the numbers that we were getting with the opens and everything. And I just looked at it again, and we now have 103% open rate. That means people are opening it more than once, and a 13.17 click-through rate. So in my membership section, my free member section, I'm going to be teaching in the near future on how you can get the same. Now for the month so far, not a lot, it's only 7 days in. Look at what we got, 106% open rate out of 3,940 emails. 95% were delivered, and 4,201 opens. 106%, and 17% click-through rates. Okay, so if you look at the average that I showed on the last video, let me show, where is that? Okay, on the last video that I have up here, I have it here, right here. You can watch that, or you can go to my YouTube channel, and you can watch it in the YouTube channel. I have it up there also, but on the blog, blog.mastermindwebinars.com, you can watch it, and you can see what the average rate is. I think I put it here, if I'm not mistaken. Nope, I didn't put it here. I think maybe on the YouTube channel. Let me see. Hey, folks. Yes, I did, right here. So you can see and again, remember, this is cold market. This is not warm market. These are cold leads that I have somebody pulling off of databases online, and then we start to warm them up. So in our niche, and that niche again is for 𝗦𝗢𝗖𝗔𝗟, but in that niche, you can see 21.93% for warm opens and 2.57%. And right now we're sitting at 106%, 0.62, and 17%. And again, I am still working very hard. I mean, it's a Sunday today, and I've been working all day. You know, my goal is to get this membership back office up and going. I plan on doing that, and as quick as possible. Again, I've got more work to do on it. I've been working on the front end and, you know, the middle part and the back part and the blog and, you know, the autoresponders and all these things, which I'm going to be showing you. You know, here's my sales funnel blueprint right now. And I'm going to be doing a training on this, going through all of this, and then I'll be posting it in the back office. All of my mastermind webinars training that are specifically on 𝗙𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 will not be accessible to the public. It will only be accessible by you coming in, and this is the new page I'm working on in the front, but coming in and then registering, okay? And again, don't register now because it's not ready. Plus the link's all mumble jumble, won't let you in. But coming in and doing that, and then you're going to get the training that I'm doing on this blueprint. I'm going to do step-by-step training showing you exactly how this is hooked up on every single piece of the sales funnel. The action funnels, okay, when I say action funnels, what do I mean? Let me show you what I'm talking about here real quick. Not going to make this too long because I need to go spend a little time with the wife today. But action funnels, okay, like let me give you an example. An action funnel for this has all of this going on, right? There's a lot, and I'm going to go through it and explain it to you. Free members has these three things going on. Then there'll be autoresponders in there, but I map it all out. I map the pages out, what the pages do. I map everything out. I blueprint it out, okay? Because how are you going to build something if you don't first think it through? Now, of course, you will update it and change it as you're building it out, and you'll make some modifications, but you want to lay it out. And I'm going to get into a full training on this very, very shortly. but it will only be available in this back end. I'm going to be recommending mastermind training from other people, but I'm also going to be doing a lot of my own training back here. So you're going to have training from others that I recommend, okay? And you're going to have a lot of training from me that I'm personally doing with my experience. But again, as you can see, we are slaying it with cold market emails. And this is, again, is for, a product in the wellness industry. We're going educational based on the emails. And I'm going to get into that and show you as we're doing it. But again, this training will be exclusively in the back office. So watch out for that email. It's going to be coming soon. I need probably all next week. And I'm going to try to open it up. Even if I don't have it completely where I want it to be, I'll still start letting some people in so I can get some feedback and we can do Q&A beta. And, probably not this coming week, but the following week in the mid sometime. An email will come out from me, and I'll start letting people register. It costs you nothing, and start getting back there. Okay? So have a wonderful day. God bless. Take care.